basically what that means is you have two different personas, which we've talked about at length. So maybe Stanley is your everyday one. Audience is like my girlfriend. She's 28 years old. She works from home. You know, she went to college. She's just your typical, loves TikTok, and she's into the trends like current events. She needs her fancy Stanley water bottle. Like that is one audience for them. She is the target market. But on the other side, Stanley still has that old green thermos we talked about. And that's like your campers, your hikers, your outdoorsmen. Very minimal frills. They just need something that's durable, reliable, and gets the job done. So that's your audience segmentation. And what you have to do with those is like separate like the messaging and how you reach those people, because the messaging for one is very different than the other. They both might buy your products, but they're totally different people.